Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make cucumber lemonade, which is cucumber juice. This is a fresh cucumber water and it's very healthy. This is how to make a healthy cucumber juice. I'm going to show you just in a minute. So let's start making it by juicing our lime. So we are going to be needing fresh lime. So please remember to wash all your ingredients thoroughly. This drink is very healthy and is very refreshing. This is a fresh cucumber water you ever try. So I'll start by juicing my lime. I'm using 2 lime for this recipe. It all depends on the quantity you want to make for your family or for your guests or even for yourself. But I'm going to make this quantity for my family and I'm going to show you how I make this cucumber juice recipe. It's very refreshing and it's very healthy. I really enjoy this cucumber lemonade. So this is how I juice it. At this point, we are going to move ahead with our cucumber lemonade. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar into a bowl. Then I'm going to add hot water. This recipe does not really call for cooking. So I'm going to dissolve my sugar into a liquid form. So I want it to be well dissolved. So I'll start by adding hot water, then I'll give it a gentle mix to dissolve our sugar. So I'll be using fresh cucumber to get our cucumber lemonade. I'll start by peeling it off. I'm using this method because I find it easy, and this in case you don't have other tools to peel your cucumber, you can as well use your knife to peel it off. This recipe really calls for peeling of cucumber. You can as well do it without peeling it, but I love peeling mine. So I'll start by cutting my cucumber into smaller pieces. You can as well use organic cucumber for this recipe, or you can as well use the casual cucumber for this recipe. Feel free to use any type of cucumber of your choice. You can as well watch my meat lemonade. That recipe is also delicious and also refreshing. I also add the link in the description below if you want to watch that. Feel free to watch more of my recipe. I have so many recipes in my channel that you are going to love and you are going to learn as easy and delicious recipe. I post new video weekly, and feel free to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. And anywhere you're watching it, please feel free to watch my YouTube videos and subscribe. So in a large bowl, I'm going to add my lime juice and my dissolved sugar, which is my liquid sugar that is dissolved earlier. I already allow it to cool down. Then I'm going to mix my lime with my sugar. Then I'm going to start by preparing our cucumber water or cucumber lemonade. This is how I normally do it. I'll transfer my cut cucumber into a blender. Then I'll start by blending it until it's wet smooth. But before that, I'm going to add my liquid, which is the one I prepared in a large bowl earlier. I'm going to transfer it to a blender. Then we are going to start by blending it. But feel free to give us a thumbs up in this video, and please feel free to drop that a comment in the comment section. Then we are going to go ahead and blend this until everything is well smooth. Be patient with it and blend everything until it's well smooth. Then after blending, we are going to move to the other step of the video, which is I'm going to save it. If your blender is a powerful blender, you can decide then not to save it, but this recipe really call for you to save it to get that perfect clean cucumber lemonade or perfect clean cucumber water juice. Fresh cucumber water. It's very refreshing, as I said, and it's very healthy. This is a perfect drink for summer. As I say, you can drink this juice for any time, and you can also serve this juice with your family or your guest if you have a guest. This is how I make my healthy fresh cucumber water or cucumber juice. Cucumber is also rich in water, which is also perfect for your body. Cucumber is actually healthy for your body. So at this time, I'm going to use my sieve to remove the bubbles. You can as well remove the bubbles of on top of the cocoa juice to get that bubbles free from your cocoa juice. So at this time, I'm going to transfer it into a jar, which is a jug. I'm going to transfer it so you can see how it looks. It looks very clean and it looks so healthy. This cucumber juice is very refreshing, and I'm going to add some sliced cucumber into it. You can as well decide to skip it if you don't really want it, and I'm going to show you how it looks after everything. So this is the quantity of what I prepare for my family. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks. You can put it in the refrigerator so it will be very cold, very chill, so you can enjoy it. So I'm going to serve it into a glass cup so you guys gonna see how it really looks. You can add a sugar to the topping just the way I do in the cucumber, the mint lemony earlier in my previous video. You can also check that video out and see the technique that I use. Thanks so much for watching this cucumber lemon. Hope to see you next time. Be safe.